Good evening everyone. My name is Harshita Singh. I am currently pursuing my masters in law from Banaras Hindu University. I have done my bachelor's in law BA LLB from Banaras Hindu University itself. I am a legal intern in LEXIS and Company. Today's topic of my video presentation is suicide. So, in the present era, mental health and cases of suicide have become a worrying issue with India, reporting an average of 381 deaths quoted in 2019. According to a report by WHO, India has the highest suicide rate in South Asian region, with Sri Lanka being the second and Thailand making the third spot. The suicide rate being higher in the youth is a worrying trend. It is a serious issue. It was recorded in 2019 that 50% of the suicide committed were below people below of the age 45, and the rate of females committing suicide is even higher. India is the third on the list of the highest female suicide death after Lesotho and Republic of Korea. Factors leading to suicide are mental factor, physical, sexual abuse, alcoholism, drugs, marital conflicts, financial problems, poverty, unemployment, etc., which boil down the lack of happiness and dignity among individuals. Article 20 of 1 of the Indian Constitution gives citizens the right to live with dignity. As a step in the positive direction, the government has decided to provide treatment and take care of the person and to send them to rehabilitation center. It is a step taken by the government to minimize attempts by decriminalizing suicide. Before 2017, committing suicide was treated as a criminal offense under the section 309 IPC. Although the section is still in effect, the Mental Health Care Act 2017 has restricted its application. The provision of the new Act, Section 115, Clause 1, states that notwithstanding anything contained in Section 309 in the IPC, any person who attempts to commit suicide shall be presumed, unless proved otherwise, to have severe stress and shall not be tried and punished under the said code. Every person with a mental illness shall have a right to live with dignity. There shall be no discrimination on the basis including gender, sex, sexual orientation, religion, culture, caste, social and political beliefs, class, or disabilities, says the Act. Further, it bans the use of electric shocks on children and adults without using of muscle relaxation and anesthesia. Sterilization and tying of men and women as a treatment of mental illness is also prohibited.